Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to see who blocked you on Instagram. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device, and then head on over to your searches. Now search for the Instagram account or username which you think has already blocked you. Now, let's try sending them a message. In this tutorial, I'll be using two accounts so that I will be able to show you how it looks like if another person or account has blocked you. Once done, exit your conversation this time. Now the next step. I am going to be heading over to another Instagram account, which is still my own. Then in here, I will head on over to messages, and then I will click on their profile. And as you can see here, they're not yet blocked. And then I can see all their postings over at Instagram, including their number, their post, their followers, and their followings list. Now I will try blocking my other account. And as you can see here, it will say this account is private. And then once I go to the messages, a pop-up will appear, which will not allow me to send them a message anymore. In here, I am going to be switching to my other account as well, just to show you how it looks like. I will head on over to the conversations this time, and then I will click on their profile. Once I click on their profile, I will not be able to see any of their Instagram posts. And that's how you will know that you are blocked over at Instagram if you can't see anything over at their posts. And then if you try to click on following, it will always go back to follow. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.